ADS is so easy to work with.
Experience is the biggest thing. I think we have 30 plus years on the aerospace team just here at ADS.
Let us do the hard digging and we will bring the rest to them. What sets the aerospace team apart from our competitors is our team's ability to actively listen to ensure that the end user gets exactly what they're looking for. What do they need and how can I most efficiently get it in their hands? So our top 3 primary subcategories, we're looking at obsolescence management, we're looking at aircraft testing, and aircraft survivability.
There was one instance where a part that's been obsolete for probably 20 plus years, they needed the original manufacturer, did not want to produce it anymore. So we looked through our supply chain, go back to the specific OEM, get their permission to actually go ahead and reproduce this stuff, and we were able to keep the supply chain moving.
Our customers continue to come back because of the knowledge and care that we put behind every order. No order is too small or too large. We put the same care and the same energy behind it to ensure that the customer is, 1, educated on what they're buying, and 2, satisfied with the product, ensuring that the quality standards are there. There's no counterfeit issues. And I show up every day to do everything I can to learn more about products, more about how we can improve lead times to contribute to bringing their loved one home.